This simple hack will make your mixes louder. Just watch this. In electronic music, when the kick and the snare are playing together, the snare will hit at exactly the same time as the kick. So you can imagine that the volume of the kick and the volume of the snare are being overlapped and playing at exactly the same moment. That's just going to increase the overall volume of the master. So take a listen to this. You'll see the volume levels here for the kick are 6.67 and 8.3. And the overall master is 3.96. But if we delay the snare so it's not hitting at exactly the same time as the kick, even by 1 millisecond, you've automatically lost 1 dB of volume. And if we delay even more, say by 3 milliseconds, you've lost loads more. This means that with the exact same volume on each track, you can actually reduce the overall dB, and therefore you don't have to hit your limiter or your group track as hard as before. Now, of course, there are other methods like clipping or OTT or using other limiters. And of course, this does change the overall way your song sounds, but sometimes this is a decent compromise. What do you guys think?